Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is Kang and welcome back to my channel. So today's morning headline, we're going to talk about money security in brokerage accounts. Because apparently there is a Bloomberg finance article stating that some users of Robinhood have their money stolen from their accounts. So let's get this started. As always, the link for the article will be available in the description. Digital thieves are hacking brokerage accounts. Is your money safe? Some Robinhood customers say their money was looted, suggesting online stock trading may be less secure than investors hoped. It feels as easy as it does safe. With a few swipes of the thumb, investors anywhere can trade stocks straight from their mobile phones, identifying themselves with the unique biometric data stored in their fingerprints or faces. Personally, the only stock trade app that I ever used on my phone was Robinhood, but I know there is Robinhood, Webull, and many other apps. And I personally never had a security issue, but this is really great to know about Robinhood as a user myself. But an expanding pool of consumer complaints suggests that online trading, which has soared in popularity during the COVID-19 pandemic, may be less secure than investors would hope. Bloomberg News reported last week on the experience of some users in Robinhood Market Inc.'s brokerage app who say their money was stolen. Robinhood says the issue didn't stem from a breach of its systems, yet the lack of an emergency phone number left customers feeling stranded with little avenue for help as their funds vanished, they said. Cybersecurity experts say the boom in online stock trading has created a parallel opportunity for hackers, and even the most diligent traders can fall prey to the increasingly sophisticated tactics of today's digital thieves. I mean, personally, I never really had an issue using Robinhood or Webull, and if you guys did have an issue, please leave a comment on the comment section so we can know about your case, because we would like to know if this is just one person thing, if it's just like few people, or if this like a lot of people got affected from this, but I just personally just never experienced myself. Personally, I believe Robinhood and Webull is like a good resource to use if you're like a beginner and just getting into stocks and just trying to use your phone and do some quick trades and certain things like that. However, if you really want to go long term, I would really urge you to make online accounts to different brokerage accounts such as Fidelity, TD Bank, or any other investment bank accounts that you guys could think of. Because believe it or not, every different brokerage accounts have different levels of security and different levels of some sort of insurance of your funds if for some reason the brokerage company goes bad. But either way, as much as you are so enthusiastic about trading stocks, I would also put much more attention into your security, because you do not want to lose all that money that you earn by some hacker. That is it for this morning, guys. So thank you for watching this video. If you have a question, leave a comment, and if you really like this video, give a like, and if you liked and loved this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the afternoon headlines.